Artificial insemination, or AI, is a modern reproductive technique used to breed cows without natural mating. In this video, we'll see the standard steps followed during AI in cattle. First, the cow is gently restrained in a chute, or a holding area, to ensure safety for both the animal and the inseminator. Before starting, the tail is tied to the side to keep the area clean and accessible. Now, the inseminator wears a long plastic glove on one hand and applies lubricant. The gloved hand is then inserted into the rectum of the cow. This allows the inseminator to locate and guide the reproductive tract. Especially the cervix from above. Next, the AI gun, which holds the thawed semen straw, is inserted slowly into the vagina and carefully passed through the cervix. Using their hand in the rectum, the inseminator gently directs the gun through the folds of the cervix. Once the tip reaches the correct position in the uterus, usually just past the cervix, the semen is slowly released. After insemination, the AI gun is withdrawn gently, and the cow is allowed to relax. Proper hygiene, semen handling, and technique are critical for success.